Hey there, science fans! Ready to zap your brain with some electrifying knowledge? Have you ever wondered how electricity works? It's like magic, but way cooler because it's real science. Electricity is all around us, powering our gadgets, lighting up our homes, and even making our hair stand on end when we rub balloons on our heads. Think of electricity like a massive game of hot potato, but instead of a potato, we're passing around tiny particles called electrons. Now let's embark on an electrifying adventure to discover how we make this magical force. All right, science adventurers, let's start our electricity tour at a coal power plant. Imagine a giant oven that's always hungry for special black rocks called coal. The power plant takes this coal and burns it in a massive furnace. The water turns into steam, and boy, does that steam have some serious energy. This super steamy steam then rushes towards a turbine to turn it. Think of a turbine like a giant pinwheel, but way more hardcore. These turbines are connected to generators. The turbines spin really fast, and that spinning action is what makes the generators create electricity. Here's a fun fact. One lump of coal can power a 100-watt light bulb for almost 4 days straight. Crazy, right? But remember, while coal is very powerful, it's not the cleanest way to make electricity. Now, let's dive into something really cool. Hydropower. Hydro means water, so we're talking about making electricity with H2O. We build a huge wall called a dam across a river. When we want to make electricity, we let the water flow through special tunnels in the dam. As the water rushes through these tunnels, it spins turbines. Remember those giant pinwheels we talked about earlier? Well, these ones love water instead of steam. Here's a mind-blowing fact. The largest hydroelectric dam in the world, the Three Gorges Dam in China, can generate enough electricity to power 80 million homes. And the best part? Hydropower is clean energy. Hold on to your hats, science pals, because we're about to get blown away by wind power. It's one of the coolest and cleanest ways to generate electricity. Imagine if you could catch the wind in a giant butterfly net and turn it into electricity. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not. It's real science. Wind turbines look like massive propellers stuck on tall poles. When the wind blows, it pushes against these huge blades, making them spin around and around. Inside the turbine's head, there's a generator. This generator is the heart of the turbine. This one takes the spinning motion from the blades and turns it into electricity. Fun fact time. Did you know that a single large wind turbine can generate enough electricity to power about 1,400 homes? That's a lot of clean energy. And wind energy is one of the fastest growing sources of electricity in the world. It's helping us reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, which is pretty cool. All right, sun lovers, it's time to shine a light on solar power. Solar power is one of the most abundant and renewable energy sources available to us. Imagine if you could catch sunbeams in a jar and use them to power your TV, your computer, or even your entire home. Solar panels are made up of special cells that get super excited when sunlight hits them. These cells are like tiny energy factories. These cells are made of a material called silicon, which is found in sand. Silicon is a great conductor of electricity. When sunlight hits these silicon cells, it starts a fascinating process. It knocks loose tiny particles called electrons, which are the building blocks of electricity. These electrons start zooming around inside the solar panel, creating an electric current. Here's a sensational fact. The amount of sunlight that hits the Earth in just 1 hour could power the whole world for an entire year. That's a lot of energy. And solar power is super clean. It doesn't produce any pollution or greenhouse gases, making it a fantastic choice for a sustainable future. Wow, what a journey we've been on! From the tiniest spark to the grandest power plants, electricity has been our constant companion. We've explored the zappy world of coal power plants, where ancient carbon is transformed into the energy that lights up our homes. We've ridden the waves of hydroelectric dams, harnessing the power of flowing water to generate clean, renewable energy. We've danced with the wind turbines, capturing the invisible force of the wind to keep our gadgets running. And we've basked in the glow of solar power, turning sunlight into electricity with the help of innovative solar panels. Electricity is everywhere, powering our world in so many amazing ways. From your kitchen appliances to your favorite tech gadgets, it's the lifeblood of modern living. It's like the secret sauce that makes modern life possible. Without it, our world would be a very different place. But here's the most electrifying part. We're still learning new ways to make and use electricity every day. The innovation never stops. Scientists and engineers are working hard to come up with cleaner, more efficient ways to keep our electric party going. They're the unsung heroes of our electrified world. So the next time you flip a light switch or charge your tablet, take a moment to appreciate the amazing journey that electricity took to get there. The future is bright, and it's powered by your curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Let's say that again. The future is bright, and it's powered by your curiosity.